Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all pre-summer diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days very easily. Summer season is around the corner and we are definitely getting rid of the jackets and sweaters. But there is definitely some chill in the air during early mornings and night time. So this diet plan is for all of those who want to lose weight fast very easily before the summers hit, as recently my lots of clients did. For personalized and customized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with pre-summer diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days super easily. Starting with the early morning drink, which will be, I'll give you two options for this. The first one is gonna be ACV, that is apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. What basically this drink will do is, it will help to lower your blood sugar levels in the morning itself, help to boost your metabolism for the entire day, at the same time flush out all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. All you have to do is simply add just 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it empty stomach. Works great for women suffering from PCOD or PCOS. At the same time, people suffering from thyroid can also get beneficial results with this. Proceeding towards our second option for early morning drink, which will be soft, that is fennel seeds water. Helps to reduce the acidity in the stomach. At the same time, people suffering from constipation or any kind of irregular bowel movements can definitely benefit from this drink. All you have to do is simply boil 2 teaspoons of soft or fennel in 1 glass of water, let it simmer for at least 2 minutes and have it empty stomach sip by sip. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for pre-summer diet plan. Always make sure to consume maximum fruits before 12 noon. This particular thing helps to decrease the sugar cravings of the entire day, and definitely the food gets absorbed throughout the day. So our first option will be oats and milk with fruits, or you can have a fruit smoothie of your own choice. Strawberries are in the season, then you can definitely prepare a strawberry smoothie, or you can have apple oats banana smoothie, or you can even have oats in milk with fruits. A great source of protein, calcium and magnesium in the morning itself, helps to suppress the sugar cravings of the entire day and is beneficial in each and every manner for constipated people. Second option for our breakfast will be for all the vegetarians out there. If you like having eggs for your breakfast, then you should definitely get your protein intake done in the morning itself. Have 3 boiled egg whites along with tea or coffee as per your own preference, or you can even skip it and have green tea. You can even prepare a veggie full omelette out of it with 3 egg whites. Add spinach, tomato, mushrooms, capsicum, whatever you get seasonally in the market, add to the omelette and prepare it in a fuller manner. High fiber, great source of protein, at the same time very fulfilling as well. And now proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option. Always choose a detox water when it comes to your mid-morning snack. Here is the apple cinnamon detox water. This detox water has worked amazing on my clients and definitely shows a great weight loss results as well. Belly fat cutter, at the same time PCOD or PCOS women should definitely check out this drink. Works great on insulin sensitivity as well. So you can prepare this water, have it sip by sip throughout the day. And now let's proceed towards our lunch option for pre-summer diet plan. Before that, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Now what is the benefit of having apple cider vinegar before your lunch? 1 hour before your lunch, you should have apple cider vinegar to reduce all the blood sugar spikes in the system, or people suffering from PCOD, PCOS, thyroid or diabetes should definitely have this drink before their lunch, so that they do not feel that sugar spike when it comes to their lunch intake. To buy the best organic apple cider vinegar, you can buy it online very easily. Check out the link in the description box below and click it and buy it online super easily. Proceeding towards our lunch option for pre-summer diet plan. The first option will be black chana kebab salad. So if you like having subways, then you should definitely check out this recipe. Homemade, at the same time highly nutritious, high protein, high fiber salad for your lunch. Now I've prepared here chana kebabs. How I'm doing it is, I've boiled some black chana soaked overnight, some soya granules, they are boiled, some soaked and boiled rajma at the same time, some chopped onions, green chilies and any veggies of your own choice you can add to this. For binding, I'm using some besan to this. Now this is roasted besan, and just add all the spices of your own choice and simply blend it out all together. Once done, prepare kebab form, and I'm air frying it. You can also grill it on a grill pan and your delicious tasty kebabs are ready. Now to prepare a subway salad, all I have done here is taken fresh lettuce from my kitchen garden, chop it well, cucumber, tomato, some corns, and for dressing I'm using here Greek yogurt. adding some lemon juice over it, little bit of olive oil, black pepper powder. You can even add some mustard sauce to this, but I'm avoiding it here. And no salt I'm adding to this side in any form because it's uncooked salt. So no salt in uncooked manner. Simply mixing it all well together and putting some kebab over it. And your delicious Subway salad is ready. It's high in protein, high in fiber and great source of probiotic with Greek yogurt as well. Do share your meal pictures on Instagram with me and I'll repost it definitely. And now let's proceed towards our second option for lunch. You can have Oats Chilla with curd or raita. The complete recipe of my Oats Chilla is yet again here. Super easy, super yummy to prepare. I've added zucchini to this. You can add any veggies of your own choice. Capsicum, tomato, bell peppers, corns, whatever you basically like, and enjoy a delicious Oats Chilla with curd or raita. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, for which I'll be giving you two options. The first option is from all my tea or coffee lovers. You can have tea or coffee definitely in this plan, but make sure to not add any kind of sugar to it. You can definitely skip sugar. You can add stevia if you like to. And second option is from all my quick weight loss goal achievers. You can definitely have detox matcha tea. This particular tea helps to cut your belly fat in no time and is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is super high and tastes amazing as well. The link is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. It's my own sourced best organic detox matcha tea that you can get in the market. Proceeding towards our dinner option, for which I'll be giving you two options. The first option is tasty, yummy, delicious paneer tikka. The complete recipe of my paneer tikka is yet again here. I have prepared it in air fryer also and I have grilled on a pan also. As per your own convenience, you can do it and you can follow the complete recipe out there. Super easy, super yummy and delicious in each and every manner. Will kill all your cravings for junk foods or outside foods, but definitely in a very healthy way that you can prepare it at home as well. High in protein, high source of fiber as well. Enjoy a delicious paneer tikka. You can have approximately 50 to 70 grams of paneer during this time and enjoy your delicious dinner. Second option is you can have soup. Now there's definitely some chill in the air when it comes to your dinner time, so you can always enjoy your soup, which can be egg soup or chicken soup or tomato soup. The recipe for my tomato zucchini soup or all veggie soup is yet again here on my channel. Do follow it and enjoy the delicious soup, and do not forget to share your meal pictures with me on Instagram. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink, which is very important when it comes to your weight loss journey. Do not skip your bedtime drink because it helps to boost your metabolism of the entire night, keeps you hydrated for the entire night, and also is a detoxifier for the entire day. 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea can reduce all the stress of the entire day and definitely is great for your metabolism boosting properties as well. The link to buy best organic chamomile tea is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail for the hydration and to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For customized and personalized diet plans for weight loss or disease management, you can always WhatsApp me on the given number and you can even mail me on this email address, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey and get summer ready before the summer's hit. If you like this diet plan, please make sure to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, client transformations, healthy weight loss recipes. And you can always follow me on Instagram and share all your meal pictures with me so that I can repost it and share on my stories as well to give boost of enthusiasm to others as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.